Hello everyone, so this is Edmond Mindaros channel for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or enable enhanced tracking protections in Firefox Android. So all you have to do is to open up your Firefox mobile browser, and then you need to click and select the three dotted icon on the top right corner and then click. And again, it will pop up these notifications. Then you need to select the settings gear button here at the bottom left corner and then click. So here now at settings, and again, you need to scroll down, and then underneath here at privacy and security, then you need to select this enhanced tracking protections on this menu and then click. So here now at enhanced tracking protections, to enable this feature, then you need to toggle to on position the button here at the right corner to enable. And then once you enable this enhanced tracking protections, then select in which tracking protections you want to choose. So we have this standard. So this is the default page will load normally but block fewer trackers. And then number 2, this is the strict or the stronger tracking protections and faster performance, but some sites may not work properly. And then the last one, this is the custom. So choose which trackers and script to block. So it depends on your preferences. To select, so here at the left corner, then you need to click the circular icon here, and then under here at strict. Then also you can select in which peak site issues, like the peaks major site issues, this is the recommended, or the other one peaks minor site issues, or the custom. It depends on your preferences. So once you select, and then also we have the options to turn off or disable. Then you need to toggle to up positions this button to left corner to disable or turn off this enhanced tracking protections. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching.